And earlier this afternoon, a Chatham-Kent teen was recognized by Mayor Randy Hope. Haley Butler Henderson was given a certificate of appreciation after a 28-kilometer walk that she conducted last year from Chatham to Wallaceburg in order to raise money for the OSPCA. Haley has been diagnosed with spinal bifida, and she raised over $2,000 last year during the walk. She was excited to get the recognition from the mayor's office.
I thought that would be pretty interesting, and I did remember the mayor saying that he was going to do that, so I figured that it couldn't hurt.
Butler Henderson said that she plans on doing another walk to raise funds for environmental awareness on June 2nd in London, and she also has tentative plans in the works to raise funds for the local CK Animal Rescue Group as well. That's a look at your news. Your weather forecast is up next.